Hello, this is part 3B of our chapter 13 lecture on adjective clauses. There's just one more grammar point that we need to kind of squeeze in really fast at the end. Wasn't able to get on to the previous video, so this will be quite short. So the last grammar point to know for the test is this: reducing adjective clauses to adjective phrases. Now, just a little reminder here in the terminology. A clause is considered a part of a sentence or a complete sentence which has a subject and a verb, possibly an object, possibly not. We have independent clauses and we have dependent clauses, such as adjective clauses. Now here we're going to take an adjective clause and we're going to reduce it to a phrase. So in a phrase, you do not have to have a subject and a verb. It's probably just a verb or just a prepositional phrase or something like that. So in this case, it's going to be an adjective phrase though. Here are some examples of where we have taken adjective clauses and shortened them into adjective phrases. Let's take a look. The girl who is sitting next to me is my. There is our adjective clause. The girl who is sitting next to me. It's a restrictive adjective clause, by the way. You notice there's no commas here. How do we shorten it? That seems to be gone. That seems to be gone. And now we have a much shorter one. The girl sitting next to me is mine. It's still an adjective, or functioning as an adjective. Now it's just an adjective phrase. Kind of think about it this way. The sitting girl, right? That would be the proper adjective position for there. The sitting girl. The girl's sitting next to me. Next, the stories that are included in the book are based on true events. Here's how they shortened that. The stories included in the book are based on true events. That went away. The R went away. And there we now have our adjective phrase. Again, if we kind of followed our rearranging the sentence to make it look like a normal adjective, you could say the included stories, right? The stories included in the book, the included stories. Now, the last one we have. English has an alphabet that consists of 26 letters. Here is our adjective clause describing the alphabet. Here we have shortened it to a phrase. English has an alphabet consisting of 26 letters. And that's a little bit more of an awkward example there. The consisting of 26 letters alphabet. That sounds too awkward, I think, for English, but you have the concept there. This is all explaining the alphabet. All right. How do we make the clause into a phrase? What are the exact rules that are going on here? Depends on your verb. Now, if you are working with the clause with the be verb, it's a little bit simple. Step 1, omit the subject pronoun. And step 2, omit the be verb. So, to our examples. The girl who is sitting next to me is my. Here is our adjective clause. First we omit the subject pronoun. Take that out. And then the be verb. Take that out. Everything else exactly as it was before. And here we now have our new sentence. The girl sitting next to me is mine. Same for the next one. The stories which are included in the book are based on true events. Find the adjective clause, let's reduce it. Subject pronoun, take it out. Be verb, take it out. Everything else stays the same. The stories included in the book are based on true events. And our last example. And is the one that is responsible for the mistake. Let's reduce the clause. First, take out the subject pronoun. That is gone. Be verb, gone, and that's what you have left. And is the one responsible for the mistake. In this case, you don't have a subject or a verb at all. It just goes directly to, in this case, the complement, the adjective there. All right, so that's how you reduce an adjective clause if you have a be verb there. What if you have a verb that is other than be, that is not be? Well, here's what you do. Clauses with other verbs, with all other verbs, omit the subject pronoun. just as we did before. And in this case, change the verb to the ing form. The examples. English has an alphabet that consists of 26 letters. There's the object pronoun. I'm going to take that out. There's our verb. It's not a be verb, so we can't take it out. We just have to change it to the ing style. English has an alphabet consisting of 26 letters. Let's do it again. Anyone who wants to come is welcome. There is our adjective clause. Take out the subject pronoun. There is our verb. It's not a be verb. We can't take it out. We just have to change it. Add the ing. Anyone wanting to come is welcome. That's a fine sentence right there. And the last example, the runner who comes in last will be eliminated. Find your adjective clause. There it is. Take out the subject pronoun. Change the verb to the ing form. And there you have it. The runner coming in last will be eliminated. All right, so that's basically it. On the test, you will be asked to do a few of these, to change an adjective clause to an adjective phrase. You will do exactly what we've just shown here. Exercise 51, page 295. That will give you some more practice with this. I recommend doing that. We got some more practice in the workbook that was assigned as well. After that, you should be ready for the test. Good luck.